My name is Gijs van Bon and I'm here at Maker Faire with my machine Skryf. Skryf is a sand writing machine which writes poetry and literature in public space with sand. And well, that's quite hazardous for the poems because sand is not something that lasts for a long time. But that's actually why I did it, because then you write it and then you just leave it to the people or to the environment or to the rain or to whatever happens to the machine or to the sand. And that's what I love actually. So many things you want to last forever, and I really want this not to last forever. And it's also beautiful because once it's written on the floor and people, they step on it and they realize they stepped on it, they come up to me and apologize, or they say to other people, don't step on it, don't step on it. And well, mothers with children, they are actually the nicest, because the kids, they can't resist to touching it. And when the kids touch it, the mothers, they do, or they really come up to me and say, oh, I'm so sorry and I didn't watch my kid good. Or they just take the kid and they just walk off and like nothing's happened. And it's quite funny actually to see. And well, it's public space and I'm doing stuff in public space and everyone else can, so I can't prohibit people from stepping on my text. It's okay. I was asked to perform 40 poems during a 10-day festival. And the poems were about transition and letting go actually. And then I thought the obvious thing to do as an artist is to write or to make a machine that writes with sand those poems. And well, I started writing them, and then when the third poem was written, the first one was completely gone, and that was such a beautiful thing. And afterwards, I just got so many attention from other festivals that I keep traveling Europe and the world. It consists of two parts actually, the machine, the control part and the battery. In here is the battery and the converter and the laptop. And in the laptop I just type in the words, and the words are converted to lines, and the lines are sent to the motors actually. Here are the cables, and they run up all the way to the machine. Well, here's the machine, which consists of two big motors actually. This motor for the back and forth movement, and that motor for the side to side. And over there is the spout, silver spout. In there is a lot of sand, and underneath there is just a small third motor to open and close when it needs to. And underneath here is a lot of electronics to form like a buffer for every signal. So it's a working machine right now. It wasn't at start, so I rebuilt it like 5 times and then it worked. It's actually based on also the complete electronics underneath, and the program running on the computer is a CNC. Machine program. So, well, I always ask the venue where I'm going to be to send me poems from a street poet or from something that has to do with the location that I'm at. But there's a second one and a third one actually, or well, this is actually the third one. And I've got a bigger one that writes, and I've got an even bigger one, is like this one, that draws flowers and skulls and every kind of iconic picture on the ground. And I put bowls of colored sand next to it, and kids, they start filling it in. So we've got the machine in the middle, and then loads of kids that are drawing on the street. My name is Gijs van Bon. My machine's name is Skryf, and you can find more at www.skryf.nl.